Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to talk about distinguishing properties of solid, liquid and gases. It is part of fourth chapter of IGCSE physics. Let us try to understand solid, liquid and gases. Based on physical appearance, we can say solid have fixed shape. However, liquid and gases do not have a fixed shape. If we put the solid and gases in different containers, they take the shape of container. Solid and liquid have fixed volumes, but gases don't have fixed volume. If I will take the gas in a container and gas will take the shape of the container and molecules will completely fill the container. Now let us try to understand how solid, liquids and gases are different from each other at molecular level. Molecules of solids are closely packed and there is a set pattern of molecules in the solid. Molecules of liquids are loose packed and there is no set pattern that liquid molecules follows. Molecules of gases are far apart. Come to the motion of molecules. Solid molecules vibrate. Liquid molecules can slide over each other and move. That is why liquid do not have a fixed shape and gases molecules do the random motion within the compartment. The bond between solid molecules are very strong. That is why solid have fixed shape and volumes. Bond between liquid molecules are strong, means relatively weaker than solid. That is why liquid do not have fixed shape. And in case of gases, bonds are weak, so gases do not have fixed shapes and volume. Let us try to do one question based on the concept we have learned. The question in the diagram represents the molecules in different states of matter. The arrow shows the motion of molecules. We can see that molecules in state 1 are doing random linear motion and molecules in state 2 are doing vibrating motion. Therefore, state 2 is solid state. Therefore, the correct option is B. Let us try to do one another question. Question provides the detail of two different substances X and Y. X, the molecules are very close together in fixed positions. They vibrate around their fixed positions. Y, the molecules move rapidly and randomly in straight line until they collide with something. Then we need to identify the state of X and Y. We know that in solids, molecules are very close to each other and in fixed position they vibrate also. So X will be solid and Y, where molecules are moving randomly, must be gas. Therefore option A is correct.